Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Saturday, so currently it's 12:30 in the afternoon and I'm still in my PJs because I usually keep my studio closed on a Saturday as it's a shoot day. So today I'm gonna tell you how I do my product photo shoot. As I mentioned in the earlier video, I don't hire anyone or any photographer. I do all the shoots by myself. So I'm gonna tell you the process. Usually it's on Saturday only, but if the products are more, I do it on weekdays also. But this is my Saturday routine, like every Saturday I do this. So before we go into the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So currently I'm on my terrace. It's very sunny today. So this is what it looks like. So this is my tripod I'm setting up. I'm either gonna take this wall as background or maybe this wall. Let's see, depends on the product. It's windy also. So these are the products. So I am gonna do a photo shoot for the bags. It's a new collection. I'm sorry for the terrible video and voice, but the weather is not nice today. But I'm glad it's not raining today because from the past few Saturdays it has been raining and it has been spoiling my product photo shoots. So I couldn't record the videos. I wanted this video a long time back, but I couldn't record it. So here is it. So these are the products. I'm not gonna show you all because I want to keep it as a surprise. Go check it out on the website because till the time I upload this video, the photos are also gonna be uploaded on the website. So this is how I usually click my pictures. I am behind the camera and there's the wall. So what I'm gonna do is keep the bag and my hand in the frame, set the camera on timer. So I don't use a DSLR or a professional camera, I just use my phone. So I set that on timer like 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then click pictures. Usually it's not that difficult because the weather is good, but now there is some problem with shadow and everything because of the sun. So I think it's gonna take a longer time than usual, but I have to do this. I have only one day, that is Saturday, to conduct the photo shoots. So what I do is, so this is the wall. I set the camera like this and just adjust my hand and the only this portion of my hand, or maybe like this, something like this. So I click like 10-15 photos and select 5 from them, and then if editing is required I edit that. So this is the second part of the photo shoot. This is my second terrace. It's kind of a terrace garden. So I get a lot of props like the green props and natural things to click pictures with. So I'm around. So this is what the terrace looks like. That is my photo shoot setup. In the background there's artificial grass. So it looks good. As you might have seen on the website, I use this a lot. If you haven't, go check out on the website. Then this is a card sheet. I usually use different colors card sheet depending on the product. So today I'm using white card sheet because all the bags have very like intricate works and it has a shiny effect. So I want it to be as plain as possible. So I'm gonna use white card sheet. Another thing is I use this wall and this I don't know what this is called, but I use this for some of my products. You can go check it out on the website and you'll know what I'm talking about. Also I'm gonna attach a picture so you get to know what a picture, like what a photo shoot there looks like. So it's really sunny. I'm exhausted, but still I have to complete the photo shoot and I have to move on to another set of photo shoot like for another product that is of traditional belts. I am trying to get a good angle here. This is better. So Today for my photo shoot I had two products like these bags, and there's one belt also. So after completing this photo shoot on this terrace, I'm gonna move on to the belts, traditional belts. So you can check that out also on the website. So I am preparing for the Navratri or festival season, because these traditional bags and traditional belts, they will look really good in this festival season. So I'm preparing for that. I'm gonna go back to the photo shoot process. The weather is still bad. Please do appreciate my efforts, and go check out all the bags, all the products on the website. If you like the photo shoot, please comment and let me know. Also you can DM me on Instagram appreciating my efforts or the products or anything, general inquiries. Do support my new venture, and let's go back to the photo shoot now. So a little glimpse of how I do the photo shoot in different angles. So for example, I'm clicking this picture of this bag. So the first picture would be like this, then the second would be with the handle, and I'm gonna show you how difficult it is, because see the shadow, these shadows, I have to remove these boxes from the frame so that it doesn't come in the frame. Also it's not placed right. I'm gonna attach the picture of this bag so you get to know. And yes, these things happen. I'm on my terrace and a lot of vehicle pass by, so I'm gonna attach picture of this bag so you get to know what I'm talking about. So I'm inside the room. Please ignore the voice, that's the fan. It's very hot and I didn't want to turn off the fan. So these are the products. I completed the photo shoot. I hope all the pictures come out good, because I don't have any energy left to do another photo shoot for this bag. I'm gonna take some rest and then start the photo shoot for the traditional belts. I think I'm gonna require my sister for that to model, or maybe she is more creative than me, I think. So she might help me out in that. Let's see. I'll ask my mom or my sister for help. So I'm back again on the first terrace. So I'm conducting photo shoot for the traditional belts now. So I have my sister here with me. She's helping me out with the photo shoot. So I'm again using this wall or either this wall for the background. It looks really good in the photographs. So finally my shoot is over. It's currently 4 o'clock. I haven't had my lunch till now. So I'm gonna just freshen up because I'm very sweaty. It was really sunny. It's still sunny out there. So I've got all my products. The next step is editing the photos, uploading it on my Excel sheet and on the website, packing all the products, pricing them, labeling them, and then displaying it in my design studio. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And also you can go and buy these bags on the website. It will be under the fashion section. Also comment what you want me to do next in my next video. Follow my brand on Instagram. It's @littlyfashion. Also on Facebook, if you use Facebook, it's Littly Fashion. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, have a good day.